Hey baby, it's me, Brian Seabass, and thanks for stopping by. Last time on This Old Outboard...
These, like I said, they're breaking off at the head and not all down, all the way down. So, still pain in the freaking ass. Get one thing goes pretty good and the next thing sucks. Oh boy. Fun, fun, fun till the daddy take a T-bird away. Ooh, ooh. Alright, well, here we go again. Another pain in the ass, man. Everything was going so good. I mean, it's not budging off those corroded screws. Don't want to crack this thing. I don't know how much heat this thing can take. I don't, you know. Fragga, smigga, frigga, fragga, smagga, fragga. Slow and easy, baby. Slow and easy. I need to pray to the outboard gods. Got a sealant down there too. At this point, I'm cleaning it up pretty nice too. Never torched anything so freaking much. Man, I never torched anything so much in my life. Alright, I can't take it no more. I'd like to get this drive shaft out of the way, but oil's going to go everywhere. So I drain it. I've got my favorite Jane's cup. Sorry, Jane. You didn't want this back anyway. I peed in it a couple times. This thing should cut me. This thing should be coming out. This is stupid. It's a long way to the top if you want to rock and roll. Come on out of there, please. Before I break everything. Damn it, baby. He's in there. She out. Look at that. See, I got a little bit of screw there, a lot of screw there, and a little bit there. Wow, look at that shit. I went right down the middle of those two screws and off. The same thing on this one, right down the middle. Anyway, here's what I'm talking about. You know what? She really wasn't in that bad a shape after all. Look at that. Son of a gun. Two broken ones, which probably heated up with the torque. Look at that. Actually in pretty good damn shape. Oh well. Oh, what's the? Oh, that's my rag stuck in there. I was like, what's that? Look at all the corrosion on here. Look at this. Jesus, man. Well, I really hated to go that route, but I felt like there, you know, this stage in the game, man, there just wasn't a whole lot of choice. I didn't want to be here beating on that thing for a freaking week. I need to get this thing off. Yeah, a lot of corrosion in here. See all that dusty crap. Alright. Anyway, get this stuff cleaned up. Wire brush. See where in the hell I'm at. So like I said, that's not the route I wanted to take. I've never ever had that much of a problem getting a freaking water pump off before. I mean, it was crazy. Unbelievable, unbelievable. No corrosion like Florida corrosion. Anyway, you saw all the crud and the crap in there. What I want to do today, oh by the way, got the screws soaking. See how far that'll go. But what I want to do today is get the hose, stick it up on the water tube, and flush this thing out. And what it would cost me for a new impeller, they want 40 bucks for these damn things on these motors. And a new housing, and the reason why the housing I was going to get a new one is because when I pulled the drive shaft out, put a little nick pulling it out from the key that holds the impeller in. So what it would cost me for the new impeller, new housing, cheapest I could find. I can buy the entire brand new upgraded kit, new style pump, new style impeller, gaskets, everything, the whole 9 yards, cheaper than trying to replace it with the old style. Might be better off taking the nozzle off. We got water coming out. See if I can get a little more pressure on it. Oh yeah, baby, she's coming out. I don't really see any crap coming out with it, which is good. Probably wouldn't see it anyway. So if you look at this screwdriver, my poor little screwdriver, this is the thinnest screwdriver I had, and you can see right here how thin this piece is. And this is, the point. I was trying to get something in here to pry that damn pump off. And this is what I started with. You can see how I bent this thing up. But the biggest problem was I did not want to damage this part of the damn gear case. I mean, that's easily bust off. So once I finally got this thing to loosen up and crack, I was able to get a regular screwdriver in there and pop it off. But that's what's left of my best little screwdriver. Anyway, they've been soaking for 2 days, I think it's been now, 3 days, something like that. And looky here, baby. This baby's turning. Can't friggin' believe it. Thank you, outboard gods. I went around and tested them all, and this one turns Unbelievable. Because, man, I really... Uh-oh. Shit. Shit. This is what happened before on something else I was pulling out. It started turning, then it stopped. I really did not want to stand here with that freaking torch again. The heat index is in the triple digits again. Well, I got a full turn out of it, but it's stuck. That one's going to end up being a problem. I can feel it. Alright, like I said, that one's going to be a little bit of a problem, and it was. The other two I managed to get them out, little heat, little patience, got them out. Not too much of a big deal, but too much goddamn video. So I'm going to jump forward here. Well, I smacked it and tapped it and whacked it and couldn't get it to turn, so I just went ahead and knocked off the edge there that I was beating on. And I'm going to have to drill it out. So it's going to be a lot easier to heat that. Well, I just got the damn thing to turn a little bit. You can see where I hollowed out around it. And I've just been pushing it and pulling it, and it just gave me a nice half turn, but it keeps getting stuck. See how it's moving around in there? Anyway, I just can't seem to get a damn grip on it and get it out. Come on, baby. All right, I think it's coming out. I can see threads. Finally. Jesus, man. I was trying to come up with all these crazy, wacky ideas to get that thing out of there. And couldn't get it easy out. But I did try to do... Oh, there it goes. Hey, she's out. Son of a gun. Yeah, I think I'm in pretty good shape. Just got that hole a little wide right there. But, oh, Jesus. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. Could have been worse. Could have been worse. Let me see if the original screw still fits back in there. Yep, the original screw still fits back in, or the other one, it wasn't broken off. So in good shape. Just a total, man, I haven't had to do one like that in years. So like I said, man, I haven't had to do that in a long time. I would consider that more a chore than anything else. And thank God I had my double pair of glasses on, I would have never got it done. That's it, man. Move on to the next thing and keep on plugging away, baby.
You know the channel, baby.